Good morning, Lynn Middle School families. This is Mrs. Rand kicking off our week of September 21st, 2020. This morning, we will recite the Pledge of Allegiance, recite the Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge, observe a moment of silence. We'll listen to a few news and announcements, and we will close out with our mindful moment to kick off our work week ahead. At this time, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. It is now time to recite the Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge. I am responsible for all of my actions and behavior today. I will listen, do my work, and learn. I will respect the feelings, property, and rights of others. I will be a good citizen by doing what is right, not because I'm being watched by teachers, but because it's the right thing to do for myself and others. We will now observe a moment of silence. Here are a few news and announcements for this Monday, September the 21st. This month, Lynn Middle School is celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month, September 15th through October 15th. Today, we celebrate Lynn Ochoa, the first Hispanic woman to go into space.
Lynn Ochoa was the
We're also kicking off College Awareness Week. We are so excited to announce that this week is College Awareness Week. Short activities will be facilitated through morning meetings each day to help you better understand college application process, choosing programs to study, pursuing educational interests, and how the decision to attend college can impact your life. The purpose of college awareness is to promote curiosity and interest about college choices and post-secondary education. Prizes will be awarded at the end of the week. Teachers have instructions for the contest. Please email Ms. Carter at sherry.carter@mmps.org if you have any questions. Lynn families, if you did not complete your decision survey last week, your homeroom teacher or SEL navigator will be calling you this week to gather your decision information. Feel free to reach out to them or to any Lynn admin to communicate your decision if you did not complete the survey. In-person technology help continues. Centers have been extended and will be open until October 2nd. The closest locations to Lytton are at Jerry Baxter Middle School and at Donaldson Middle School. Locations are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. The 2021 student handbook permissions must be signed. Parents, log on to www.mmps.org/handbook and click on the permission portal to update your child's permissions. The 2019-2020 yearbooks have arrived. We are continuing pickup this week, Monday, September 21st through Thursday, September 24th from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. For more information about yearbooks, please contact Ms. French at lisa.french@mmps.org. Parents, Don't forget to email your child's teacher for your parent Schoology access code to check their grades and assignments. Students, don't forget, students, you are expected to attend related arts classes in addition to your ELA, math, social studies, and science classes each week. Related arts classes are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please review your virtual schedule for the specific time. In addition, Tuesdays and Thursdays should be used for students to schedule small group tutoring and with your teacher if you need assistance with any subject. Please ask your teacher about time for tutoring and small groups. Don't forget, if you've taken a class assessment and you made a low grade, you must schedule office hour time with your teacher for reteaching before a retest can be assigned. Remember, students, you can't hide your Lynn pride no matter where you are. Don't forget that we are rolling out a new initiative to help you be more engaged in your classes. Don't forget to show your pride. Be prepared for class. Respect the virtual learning environment by using the raise your hand feature, muting your mic, and using the chat box for academic appropriate conversation. Take the initiative and review your Schoology page and your grades each day. Be diligent in turning in your assignments, and most importantly, engage in class. Don't forget, we will start this September 14th and it will end on October 1st. Here is a reminder of what our incentives are. Don't forget, if you earn 25 points, I will give you a shout out on the morning meeting. Earn 50 points and you will get a Lynn swag bag. Earn 75 points and you get a Lynn water bottle. Earn 100 points for a Lynn Pride t-shirt. Earn 150 points and we will deliver a personal yard sign to your home. If you earn at least 100 points by the end of the quarter, you will be entered in a raffle for a $10 gift card. There'll be one winner per grade level. Don't forget, Isaac Lynn Middle School morning meetings are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Videos are available on the Remind app or on the Isaac Lynn Middle School Library website. Don't forget, there's no cost breakfast and lunch. Metro Nashville is providing no cost breakfast and lunch to all children under the age of 18. Meals can also be picked up at school from 11:30 a.m. until 1 p.m. each day that school's in session. If you need assistance, please contact 615-259-INFO for more information. Don't forget, Lynn is launching the Project Lit community. Please reach out to Ms. Garrett at catherine.garrett@mmps.org if you are interested in participating. We do have copies of the book available for students who are not able to purchase their own. The first book selection is Trevor Noah's Born a Crime. We're also asking that you participate in the I Believe in Nashville Reading Challenge now through October 16th. Log your reading minutes on the Beanstack app via your Clever portal. Don't forget, our Authors Theme Club is up and running. If you would like to join, please contact Dr. Westby or Ms. Donaldson. Don't forget, our NASA Hybrid After School program is in full swing. Homework help, online tutoring, and fun group enrichment sections. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is an in-person session at Explore from 3 to 6 p.m. Tuesdays and Thursdays are virtual sessions from 3 to 6 p.m. Lytton students, you are welcome to sign up. Please contact Ms. Ashley Young for more information. We will end today with our mindful moment. Today's focus is self-awareness and habits of mind. Don't forget, if you have not downloaded our Remind app to keep up to date with all the latest news and announcements, remember to do so. These are your announcements for Monday, September 21st. And remember that you are loved.